which is potential edible content of pectin obtained from onion peel for food preservation. As we all know, fresh foods are easily damaged, oxidized, and do not last for long periods of time. Next, formalin have been utilized for a few years in fruits to prolong the shelf life of fruits. However, formalin is very harmful for human health. Lastly, onion peel is one of food leftovers that has highly excellent bioactive and biomedical that can help to extend food's shelf life. The usage of onion peel has been proven by various scientific studies as a fruit preservative, but there was no practice of onion peel as natural preservative specifically for fruits. As we know, onion peel are one of agricultural waste products. Therefore, by using onion peel as preservative, we can minimize such wastage.
We have been using a type of parameter to monitor the extract preservation, which is organoleptic testing. The main ingredient is onion peel. So, how was the pectin being prepared? First, onion peel were collected and washed thoroughly using clean water. To increase the total surface area, the peel were torn into small pieces, increasing the rate evaporation during the drying process in a hot oven. Then, grind the dried peel and add 1 m hydrochloric acid. After that, sterilize at 80 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. Furthermore, filtering was carried out to filter the sediment from the filtrate. A 96% of alcohol with a volume ratio 1:1 was added. Pectin precipitated for 24 hours was separated from the filtrate using filter paper. The pectin was dried and weighed.
In the sample preparation, banana was divided into two different groups, which are control GO and G1. Control GO was prepared without using any pectin. The edible solution was applied by dipping G1 for 10 minutes. They were then drained and dried at ambient temperature. GO was stored as the control. Storage was carried out until maturation occurred with a frequency of observation of every 3 days. Then, the sample was analyzed for different preservation parameters.
Now, let's move to the results. The results are all based on the parameters that we use to monitor the effectiveness of O-peel as edible coating to prolong the shelf life of banana. Let us see the effect of the pectin on the sensory point. Based on the graph, we can see that G1 has caused the highest sensory point, whereas GO has an unpleasant color and odor, while G1 has a better one than it, so it proves that onion peel is working as a pectin.
The commercial potential is very high as it is a natural product and easily obtained since it is from waste product, which is onion peel. Moreover, if O-peel is to be commercialized, it can be recreated as a new pectin for fruits industries. The product is also safe for our body and does not adversely affect our health. O-peel also can minimize the wastage that occurs.
As conclusion from this comparative study of natural preservation, it was concluded that onion peel pectin could be utilized effectively as antioxidant and antimicrobial in preservation of fruits.